hold on. I can take this off. Hold on.
So awesome.
Let me open this. This is literally all that it is. Like,
and the air is coming from that tiny little hole?
No. There's these little two out. This thing connects right here. And on this little piston, there's a little hole up here.
Oh.
That allows the suction to, well, allows it to suction. Hold on, I can open the back so you can see on the inside. There we go.
And the vacuum hose is what's pulling the air through it.
See?
Oh, wow. That's really cool to see. That's so awesome. If you guys enjoy watching this, give us a like and subscribe.